Today we're going to show you how to make fluffy and delicious marshmallows in under 4 minutes. Hey everyone, I'm Aarav.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty, the channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. Alright, we have a stand mixer bowl here. We're not going to use the stand mixer quite yet, but what we can do is add a half cup of water into the bowl. Now we're going to add 2 packs of this gelatin powder. Leave a link down below if you want to go ahead and buy some. So we're just going to let this sit for 5 minutes. Alright, so we're going to start off with a medium-sized saucepan. We're going to add 1.5 cups of sugar with a half cup of water and 1 cup of corn syrup. Light corn syrup. So we're going to trim this on low heat until the sugar dissolves. Alright, so once the sugar's dissolved, we're going to turn it on medium heat and we're going to let it cook until it gets to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so how we're going to measure the temperature is we're going to get our candy thermometer and place it in, and it'll just tell us what temperature it's at. Alright, we're going to mix in our hot sugar mixture into the gelatin mixture. Alright, now once everything is combined, we're going to put it at high and beat it until it becomes light and fluffy like a marshmallow. Alright, we have a square pan here and we're going to cover all of it with olive oil. The marshmallow is going to be very sticky, so we have to make sure that all of the pan is covered. And similar to the olive oil, we're going to cover it with some powdered sugar everywhere. Okay, let's pour our marshmallow mixture into the pan. Alright, we're going to let this sit at room temperature for 4 hours or until it becomes a marshmallow. Okay, so our marshmallow is fully set. It's been a little bit more than 4 hours and we're going to put it onto our silicone mat. We want to make sure that every single thing that the marshmallow touches is covered with powdered sugar because it's really, really sticky. We also powdered sugared our knife. We want to be a little bit safe here, but let's start off by powder sugaring our silicone mat. Now let's powder sugar the top of our marshmallow. We haven't taken it out yet, but we're just gonna do this just to be safe again. Okay, let's put our marshmallow on the silicone mat. Alright, let's flip our marshmallow. Alright, so we dusted it with some powdered sugar, and now we're gonna cut it into cubes. Alright, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific time for the next video in this 30-day posting challenge. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving us a thumbs up down below. But that's it for now, so click over here for our last video. Click down there for our 30-day posting challenge. And if you would like, subscribe right here. And we will see you in our next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.